babu re. Yalla vinakakosa bora muchiko na yang kau na gona babu da meme. Da na meme re.
Vito Konikina Oskipatuna, the winning taste.
VTFM.
Vinaka onga ingiring ko buat kana ko. I'm going to no sorry. I'm going to raki re. Ayandra. Ano vinaka babu?
My Kelly and the Tupe, good morning, my brothers.
Good morning. Where are you right now?
Kaya sa lakot ko na boleh ka sa lakot Korinibia
Ayo.
na research station.
Oh, okay.
Kaya right na sa Nabul Macau sa kana karasi chuko ko namunai sa go sem to bata tikit my Kelly ke Tupe ro sa kana pai chuko na studio.
Iya.
So,
Bata chiko boy bata ba ko sa lakot na West Island ni kwa.
Oh, kau ni kim daw?
Ko bat kay sa na kilangan ng friends na.
oh, nada basta kita kana western side ko.
Ano bata mabiyak kilang ko ko na ko sa vela ko.
Iya, saya bu sarvio di lakui ragi-ragi.
Sa-
Ini laut kainan.
Iya, santo na kere-kere. Time ko sali semua ko sa rotor mo na mango kira wi kira.
Acha ko na rin na balita so tamata mo na gona ko sa smart chiko ro sa bolita ka chiko
Oh,
Kaya na pangaran na buni mango
iya.
kasi nga na buni weleti kamba ke tomika no mo pa panepal te dawan.
Wow.
Sabi ni Willie cuma dagi kau tahu
Yeah.
mana pane, bro. Okay, babu, ko make sure you watch the game this evening, na?
Are Michael ko sa ready ko sa balita that's why I make it a early morning trip less afternoon ko sa lesu my ko sa sarana. Dubai 7 sa straight ni ko are.
Dubai 7, Fiji.
Dubai ya.
Fiji versus Canada, 7:52 p.m. na first game. That's our first game tonight.
Ko wala ki ko ya Michael kanda sara bata balita kilanga kito chia bata na.
Acha, ko smart fella. Okay.
Dubai.
Baka pa beka ko time sa chiko Dubai ngai solivi ko opportunity korto sulio. Babu ko may kita kana commentary na. Fiji.
Are, Michael,
Fiji versus
They shouldn't make it option match. They should give it to me. I can make commentary anything. Horse race, car race, dog race, kakede.
Wait, meka ko tali solivi ko na option. They should give it to you.
Are Michael ko kila I can make it anything happen, re.
Oh, okay. So, Babe, Fiji's are playing New Zealand in the final. And how are you going to do the commentary in Dubai?
How I gonna do the commentary, Michael? I gonna do the commentary with my mouth, re.
I know you're going to do it with your mouth. Okay. Because cross man ko you in Dubai for the final of the Dubai Sevens 2016. Rosa for final to na timini biti but kena timini New Zealand. Now we cross live to Babu, who is in Dubai right now. Bulabadaka Babu.
Kula Binaka and the people of the Fiji Island be listening right now. Right, Kine.
Huh?
As we cross over to the linesman and all the referee, they're all getting ready for the national anthem, which is a great final between the two great nations who are coming to play right now in the final, the grand final of the Dubai Sevens, as the stadium lights are full on, full bright. And I hope FAA don't off the power. And as you can see, the Fiji team, who are just defending the Dubai, the World Olympic Games, are now back in the and the game begins. And the Fiji kick off. And oh my goodness. Now as you cross, I'm entering the commentary, the time is moving very fast. It's in the dying seconds.
Yep.
Fiji is almost is attacking, and the scores are 12-all. Can you believe it? Fiji tied with the All Blacks, and as Tasa Vermalo passes the ball out to Jerry Tuai, pulls it out with a very nippy halfback. He pulls it out and he kicks it. This a little chip, and guess who's there? It's very, very. And New Zealand are caught defenseless. They are wondering what is happening. Is this a repeat of the Olympic game? No, it is Dubai Sevens. Fiji is in another state, and it's Fiji passes the ball around, and then it goes to Mulibao to Jerry Tuai, and Jerry Tuai to Tasa Vermalo. Oh my goodness, the referee pulls the flag up. He's not sure what's happening. He said, step aside, but the boys don't care. A quick pass, inside pass, and it goes in. Guess who's under the sticks? It's Colin Isao, the dog on the side, as they call him. And Fiji scores in the dying seconds. And the stadium and the people go crazy of Dubai. They have never seen such thing like that from the last Olympic Games. And the ground shake, the stadium shake. The stadium is, oh my goodness, the stadium has collapsed.
Hey, vamos allá do stadium?
Yeah, continue.
No, you said the captain scores the ball, and then what happened to the ground?
the ground collapsed, Magali. The stadium collapsed, the ground is shaking because the people are cheering too much and the ground is shaking. But Koinasa scored and the linesman calls, he comes up to the referee and says, I'm not sure if Koinasa put the ball down or he was it because the ground shake and the ball fall and knock it on.
Ooh, sa shake na ground and the grandstand collapsed. And they thought, oh, one earthquake in Dubai or something like that.
Magali, because we did him playing.
Okay, Babu, thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Jadi
and
abad.
have a nice trip to Raki Raki.
Ako nila nga Michael, if Fiji gonna make it the winner, sir.
That's right.
Kindaru ke party bata, eh?
Thank you very much, Babu. Mode.
Kindaru party nga ako ni party tupe. Mode.
Mode.